Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the outcome of the GST meeting, which is currently underway in New Delhi. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is presiding over that meeting. In fact, we have ministers from different states also attending that meeting. The Finance Ministry is expected to hold a press conference shortly. We'll, of course, be tuning into that press conference to see which sectors really get the much-needed relief. In fact, there are expectations that there will be rate rationalization. There will be a status report on online gaming as well. In fact, some sort of a relief the insurance industry is also expecting so far as insurance premiums are concerned. In fact, those are some of the key takeaways which we are learning. Meanwhile, GST cut proposal has been deferred so far as the insurance sector is concerned, and it will be taken up in the next meeting. The issue on tax on R&D has now been set to the Fitment Committee. So far as demands for travel to religious travel via choppers is concerned, that rate has been brought down from 18% to 5%. In fact, tax on online transactions, particularly those related to online gaming. In fact, we were just speaking with an expert earlier, and she stated that there's going to be status quo so far as the online gaming sector is concerned. So those are some of the key takeaways, in fact, based on what sources are telling us are coming out from that 54th GST Council meeting. The Finance Minister, along with other state ministers, are attending. It will be interesting to see in that press conference that Finance Minister does, to see which sectors have gotten the much needed relief. And of course, let's go across to my colleague Sumit Chaturvedi, who's gathering more information. Sumit, so lots of expectations so far as the GST Council meeting is concerned. Of course, we're learning that the press conference could happen anytime soon. What are you picking up? Any other sectors than the ones we've mentioned are expected to get any relief, and of what kind?
Today is the day of 54th GST Council meeting. A number of issues were on agenda, and primary, some of them, well, as far as the status is concerned, the issue on GST on R&D, it has gone to Fitment Committee. Second issue is GST on travel to religious places via chopper. GST on that will be brought down from 18% to 5%. One of the sources tell us a proposal on GST on online transactions up to Rs 2,000 will go to Fitment Committee for further deliberations. That's another important, we can say that important point that was mooted upon and has been sent to Fitment Committee. So clearly it's one of those days when GST Council, it meets and decides on a number of issues. This time also it has met and decided on a number of issues which were there, which were lingering from a long time. It's the second after the budget has been announced this year.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.